Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. Now this thing comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it in there, or you can always use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends of it. So from here, let's pop out the tray, which is located somewhere on this device. Okay, so it looks like it's on the bottom. And from here we have space, it looks like, for two different SIM cards, or one SIM card and one nano memory, which unfortunately is not me. I have the normal typical SD card, so I won't be able to insert it, but it's basically the same shape and size as the SIM card, so you just place it on the other side of it and that's it. And from there, insert it back into the device, and you can see there's the pin for the SIM card. Let me quickly insert that, and there we go. That is basically how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.